everyone, welcome to another What I Eat in a Day. This one is in LA. So I arrived in LA about 5 days ago. I've been kind of hanging around Beverly Hills area and I'm now down in Venice, which is super cool. I love this area and I'm pretty much like staying in this little apartment. Like, it's meant to be a hotel. I thought it was a hotel, but I've got this whole kind of corner apartment with a view of the sea, which is absolutely beautiful. I'm about to go on a run and I've just like covered my face in sun cream, which is why my face is so shiny and creamy. But yeah, I thought I'd make the most of this gorgeous kind of scenery because I go home tomorrow. So today is my last full day. So I haven't been on one run since being out here, so I thought it's my last day, I better do it. I woke up relatively early for a Sunday. It's 8 o'clock. Okay, it's not too bad. But literally it's dead out there compared to last night. It's crazy, it's so quiet. So yeah, I'm gonna go on a nice run. I think I'm gonna run to Santa Monica Pier, and if I'm feeling okay, go a bit further, but if not, I'll just come back. So it's not too much of a run, probably 6 or 7k. So yeah, won't be too bad. But I'm then meeting my friend Sassy for breakfast. She lives out here in Santa Monica. And I think we're going to go to a place called the Butcher's Daughter in Venice on Abbot Kinney Boulevard. So that'll be really nice. I've heard great things about that place. And no other plans for food. So I'm just going to go with the flow. But food is amazing out here. So up my street. Really like healthy but delicious and so many vegan options. And that's why I thought I would film a What I Eat in a Day out here. So I'm currently just running from Venice Beach to Santa Monica Pier. I'm nearly there and I think I'm going to keep on going for a bit. It's hot but not as hot as I thought it would be. There's a nice breeze. It's gorgeous out here. So hard. I ended up going, I need to find out actually on my phone how long that run was, but I ended up going from right directly in Venice Beach to Santa Monica Pier, and then I went quite a bit further and then just turned around and came straight back. Oh my god, I need to stretch. I need to like stretch my legs out. My calves feel so tight right now. Oh, and my hamstrings. Back out just along the seafront to grab a smoothie. I've heard about this place called Fruit Gallery. I've literally just found it now, and apparently they do really good kind of like protein super smoothies and everything. I'm meeting my friend Sassy at like 12 at Butcher's Daughter, so yeah, I feel like I need something beforehand because I always like end a run and a workout just feeling absolutely starving. This is Fruit Gallery. Looks like they do really good acai bowls as well, but I feel like that's just going to fill me up a bit too much. So I've gone for the Warrior smoothie. Sounds good, with some hemp protein and also a ginger shot. It's really cool in here. I like it. The smoothie is so good. I had the ginger shot that like burnt my mouth and my throat, but that's to be expected. It's so good for you though. But yeah, this is much nicer straight after. It's like bananas, coconut water, protein, yum. Also, I'm trying to get into the habit now of getting it without a straw, just asking like, oh, I don't need a straw, because obviously it's so bad for the environment. It's still plastic cups, it's not great, and obviously it'd be a lot easier if you had some kind of reusable cup, but when you're out and about, I'm on holiday here, I don't have one with me, but yeah, no straw is better than nothing. And here's the huge flag, it's amazing. So I'm just on my way to meet Sassy for a nice lunch. It's kind of like, I think it's midday now, so it's like a nice early brunch type thing. No, it should be good. I've been to the butcher store to New York, so I'm excited to try this one. And there it is across the road. There's a queue outside. I guess that is to be expected because it's so popular. So food has arrived, and look, I'm here with Sassy. So good to see you out here. Look at that.
Lunchtime ice cream.
That looks incredible. And I got a spicy kale Caesar salad. Delicious. Oh, we also got some cold brew coffees. I ordered one and then another one arrived. So buy one, get one free. It was so good to see Sassy. We walked from Abbot Kinney Boulevard, that's where it is. I'm still like trying to get used to all the names of the roads. So yeah, we had a nice lunch there, walked down to Venice Beach, and there's this thing out here that I don't remember from last year, so I think it is quite new, where everyone rides on these electric scooters called Birds. I think it's just called Bird. So she had one and I kind of tried it going up and down, but I was so bad. Like my balance is really bad. They're meant to be the easiest things, but I can't do it. But it's so hot out there. I've come back quickly to the hotel just to cool down basically and grab some water. I brought my reusable water bottle out here, so yeah, I'm just having some water, and I've also got some cherries. So I got these yesterday from Whole Foods, and they are like the sweetest, most delicious cherries in the world. So I'm just gonna have a few of these. Okay, so it's time for yoga. I basically, a couple of days ago, found this amazing yoga studio in Venice. And I went just for one class, but then they had this intro package for like 3 classes. And because I was here for a few days, I was like, perfect. So I did one 2 days ago, I'm gonna do one tonight, and then I think I'm gonna do one in the morning before I fly, just to like get my body moving and everything. But it was so, so good. It's called Love Yoga, and the studio is really, really lovely. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing for yoga. This set is by Sweaty Betty, and I absolutely love it. I'm just wearing some super comfy Adidas trainers to walk there, but yeah, this set is so, so cute. You can see the back is kind of like all mesh, and it's just so comfy, perfect for yoga. I think it's a run set technically. I wore it to hiking actually the other day, but yeah, just what I'm wearing tonight. Oh, yoga was amazing. That was an hour and a half. It was so great. So last time I was here, I noticed there was a place called Locally next door. Locally? I don't know, but it looked pretty good. It's just literally a couple along. So I'm gonna try that out if it's open. Finished my dinner. I'll tell you when I get back to the hotel in a minute what was in it, because I couldn't talk in there because it was so loud. But I've just spotted on the wall, it says eat smart. Literally right on the front, eat smart. What are the chances of that? That's so, so funny. Right, back in the hotel now. Well, in my little apartment. I'm flying in the morning, so I've just been packing all of my stuff up because I've actually got yoga in the morning as well. Like I said, I did a 3-class pack thing. And I just thought it'd be really nice to do a bit of yoga before I fly because it's such a long flight. So yeah, that would be nice. I'm looking forward to going back. It's such a nice studio. I feel like it's so hard to find a really great studio that you love, and it's just typical that I found one that I love, and it's in Venice in California on the other side of the world. I need to find a good yoga studio in London actually so that I can get back into it because I love it. I stole a menu from the place I was just at, Locally, or Locally, I don't know how you would pronounce it. And I had one of the quinoa bowls, and I basically just asked them what they would recommend, and they said the Big Daddy, which apparently is their most popular. And in there we had quinoa, arugula, which is rocket in the UK, rocket like salad, vegan marinated chicken, which I didn't like the sound of, to be honest. I don't like fake meats. I'm like, it just sounds gross, but it was actually really nice because it was in a spicy vegan buffalo sauce with some celery, black beans, and then a creamy dill dressing. It's all vegan. It was really, really tasty. It was like really, really salty actually. So I'm really thirsty now. But other than that, like, it was nice. It wasn't like the best salad I've ever had in my life, I'm not gonna lie. But it did the job. I was hungry. I could feel my stomach rumbling in yoga, and when it went really quiet at the end, I was like, oh my god, shut up, stomach. So yeah, it definitely did the job. But while I was in there, they had this like amazing wrap of like goodies, all vegan, like healthy, good goodie stuff. And I thought, oh, I'll pick up some stuff, A, for the flight, and B, a couple of bits that I thought I would get Joe. So, got everything in this little bag. Here it is. Right, I'm just gonna empty this down the table. Okay, I'm gonna lay it all out for you. So these things I thought sounded really interesting. They're called banana, and they're like little bites. On the back it kind of shows you what they are, little bites. They're like a banana filling with some peanut butter. So I thought they sounded really delicious. This bar sounded good. I thought this would be good for the plane if like there's no vegan plane food. It looks like a good kind of hearty filling bar of superberry and greens, and it's like a protein bar. So I thought that could be handy. This I thought sounded really interesting. It says it's like a peanut butter and strawberry like jam sandwich. I don't know if it's going to be like a sandwich. I think that, I don't know, they're kind of getting ahead of themselves, but we'll see. I'm going to give it a go. I'll try it, let you guys know. And then I spotted these two bars, and basically they're the best chocolate bars in the world. Just putting it frankly. They're from New York, I think. Well, I first had them in New York. Maybe they're not from New York. But I could never, ever, ever find them in London. I still can't find them in London. Why aren't they here? But I was so happy when I found them over there. So I grabbed two. One for Joe. I think he'll have this one. And then one for me, but we'll obviously just share anyway. So I got all of that stuff and like started, you know, paying and everything. And then after I'd paid, I was like, wait a minute, $25 for 5 snacks? That can't be right. Turns out these bad boys are $8 each. Like, I know healthy chocolate is expensive, but $8, that's a lot. I don't know why, and it was too late because I stupidly just paid, and it wasn't until afterwards I was like, wait a minute. But I'm gonna savor every single bite, and I'm gonna have the best willpower ever and not eat it right now because I do want to give them to Joe as well, and we can like share them. But I thought right now I would give this one a go. I'm gonna watch some Netflix. I'm gonna find like a good series to watch or a film or something. So this can keep me going while I watch the film. I can't even open this. Ooh, smells good. Oh my god. Okay, it's not like a sandwich. It's like a little square bite. Mmm. Oh, it's really peanut buttery. It actually does taste like a peanut butter and jam sandwich. Or jelly. In America it's jelly, right? Yeah, it's got that taste because it's like, it's really strong with peanut butter. It tastes so nice of peanut butter. I love that. And then you've got like a strawberry jam filling in the middle. So yeah, you do get that peanut butter jelly taste. But it's not like a sandwich at all. And it's really tasty. Ooh, I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna find something to watch on Netflix and have this. Let me know in the comments actually, what are you watching on Netflix right now? Because the last kind of, I don't know, couple of weeks that I've gone on to Netflix to watch something, I'm really struggling to find something. And there must be like really great series on there, obviously. I've watched 13 Reasons Why, and I'm actually about to start watching, 13 Reasons Why, the second season of 13 Reasons Why, and I've already seen Stranger Things. I don't know why I get those muddled up, they're so different. But yeah, I'm just looking for something else to watch. So let me know, even if it's a film, like your favourite films on Netflix right now, because I never know what to watch. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching this What I Ate in a Day in LA. Let me know what you think. I'm so desperate to carry on eating this. Let me know what you think, and yeah, bye! See you later, guys.